This Bowens mount Snoot Projector feels solidly built and works seamlessly with a wide range of common Bowens mount COB fixtures from brands like Aputure, Godox, and Nanlite. The optical design concentrates the output into a very tight beam that looks dramatically brighter than a bare COB, which is great for punchy accents and stylized portraits. Its projection lens system delivers impressively crisp patterns with minimal softness at the edges, so logos, shapes, and textures stay clean on the background. The housing is engineered to cope with high-power continuous lights, so it stays reliable even when paired with stronger LED units for longer studio sessions. The rotating focus ring makes it easy to go from razor-sharp projection to a gentle blur, giving a lot of creative control without needing extra accessories. Between the included barndoors, color filters, and large selection of Gobos, you get a very flexible toolkit for creating precise cinematic lighting effects right out of the box.